The following preview has been rated DG for delayed gratification.
Legend speaks of a dessert unimaginably sweet and delicious.
Precious!
And when it was destroyed, all that remained was the dessert's powerful recipe. It remained in the hands of a monster named Gobble for a long while.
One dessert to rule them all. Oh, me precious!
But the recipe had other plans. Cookies were gone forever.
Lost.
Until
I am here to provide you with a magical mixture of ingredients to bring cookies back into the world, Monster Gobble.
Oh. But me don't know how much of each to use. Me no have recipe.
You must remember, and if you complete this task, you shall bake the cookies in the fires of Mount Crumb.
What that?
It's the oven over there.
Oh, gotcha.
You must use your memory to remember the recipe. Remember.
Wow! That good special effect. Okay, me try to remember. How many eggs go in? Let's just eat eggs. Who said that? Me. But you look just like me. You having conversation with self right now. And me, part of self that not in control. And me want to eat now. But me want to eat cookie. Why wait for cookie when we can eat eggs now? That good point.
Gobble, control yourself. If you wait just a bit longer, you can eat the cookies you so desire.
Wow. Crazy light lady right. Self, we no eat eggs. We waiting. Eggs delicious, but cookie is me precious. Hey, me just remember something. Me came up with strategy to help me remember recipe. Yeah, it rhyme. How many eggs? Well, here's a clue. Get 5 eggs and take away 2. Me remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. Take away 1. 2 eggs leaves 1, 2, 3. Music means me did it. Oh boy, me bake cookies now.
You shall not pass!
Oh, boy, you dramatic.
Sorry, but you didn't put in all the ingredients.
Oh, you know what? You right. Me forgot me favorite ingredient of all. Chocolate chippies. Okay. All right. Let me try to remember how many to use. Just eat the chippies. Oh, me do love chippies. Num num. Wait. No. Self needs to control self. Why? We hungry. But if we wait a little longer, we not just get chippies. We get me precious. We get cookie. Hey, that true. Okay, how many chocolate chippies for me precious? Oh, me remember the rhyme strategy. How many chippies should you pour? Grab 1 cup and add 1 more. Okay, grab 1 cup and add 1 more cup. That make 1, 2 cups chocolate chippies all together. 1, 2. Hey.
Your strategy works, Gobble. You remember the recipe.
And me controlled myself. Excuse me.
You shall pass.
Terrific. Thank you.
And so it was that cookies were restored to Monster Earth.
Oh boy. And now we eat? You got that right. Cowabunga!
Lord of the Crumbs. Wait for it this summer.